Hey there! Today we are going to show you how to make easy tissue paper flowers. First, you're going to get 5 pieces of colored tissue paper and stack them on top of each other, and then make them the same size. Then you're going to fold the papers together accordion style in a horizontal way until you reach the end of them. After that, you're going to staple this center sideways so it doesn't fall apart. Then you'll round at the ends and make some cups in your flower so they look more poofy with scissors. After that, you have to gently pull the layers one by one towards the stapled area so it can start taking shape. And there you go, you have your flower. You can always add a stem by rolling a piece of paper and stapling or taping to the bottom of your flower. With these easy steps, you can make beautiful flowers for any occasion.